So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So the "you are not alone" message usually appears when Instagram thinks that might need emotional support. This doesn't automatically mean your account is banned. There are a few common reasons behind this. Reason 1: sensitive content detection. So if you recently posted emotional quotes, sad captions, depression related content, or anything related to the mental health, Instagram's AI system may automatically detect it as a sensitive content. Even if your intention was normal, the system sometimes triggers the support message for safety purposes. Reason 2: someone reported your account. If someone reports your post or account, even as a joke, Instagram may review your profile. During this review process, you might see this support message. Reason 3: unusual activity. So, if you logged in from a new device, changed your password recently, used third party apps, or unfollowed many accounts quickly, Instagram may detect unusual activity and activate security alerts. Reason 4: Instagram bug or update issue. So sometimes the problem is not from your side at all. It can be caused by temporary server issues or a new Instagram update glitch. So first of all, don't panic. In some cases, this message is temporary. Now let's fix the problem. So follow these steps carefully. So firstly, check account status. For this, open the Instagram app. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and click on the account status. Here you can check if your account has any violations. And if not, go back to the home page and update Instagram app. For this, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now update if not. And after this, go back to the home page. Open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on Instagram. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now after this, restart your mobile phone once, and if you still face the problem, then remove third party apps. So if you are using follower tracking apps or automation tools, remove them immediately. These apps can trigger security warnings. And lastly, if nothing works, report the problem. For this, go to the Instagram app. Now click on the help option, click on report a problem, click on report problem, tap on include and continue, and here describe your problem and click on send option and wait for a few hours. Important note: sometimes this issue automatically gets fixed within 24 to 48 hours. So if your account is working normally, just wait calmly. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.